Hey, good morning. This is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. Today we're talking about my 68 Chevy and I'm going to show you the progress on it. Now I saved this truck from going to the junkyard because it was in rough shape. But really all it needed was some attention. So let's go look and see what all I've done to it. It's a little bright out here. But on the inside, as far as the inside goes, I have not done anything. I took the dash pad off. I did put a radio in that don't work, so I got to change it again. This is a 4-speed with the granny gear. Oh, I did change out the seats. These are out of a Dodge Neon. They fit real good. I put a little piece of plywood here in the middle with some cup holders, you know, just for make it better. The seat that was in here was not beyond repair, but almost beyond repair. Okay, and we'll move on to the outside. Well, I don't know if I showed you before, but this thing was rotted everywhere, so I replaced the metal everywhere I could. I'm not trying to make a show truck out of this. I'm just trying to get it to where it's not going to hurt anybody. The bed was way beyond fixing, so I just built a wooden bed. The frame, I sanded it and wire brushed it, painted it with Rust-Oleum. It's pretty good. I put these fancy smancy lights on, which light up real good. Oh, it's got dual exhaust. It's got the Flowmaster dual exhaust. Did that. And it wasn't running real good. I don't know if they loosened up the lifters on it when they stored it or whatever, and I'm pretty sure it was stored outside because it looks like it's been sitting outside for many, many years. You know, it had a couple of dents, one here and one in the door. There again, you know, like I said, I'm not trying to make a show truck out of it. I'm just trying to make it to where it's decent to drive. And it does run good. Drives good. Transmission shifts good. And I put new tires on it. And these are 17.5 Bridgestones. That's the original tire for the truck. And let's see what I did in here. Haven't done anything. Well, I put a new master cylinder on it, some new brake lines, new brakes. Of course, I put a different carburetor on it. It had a 2-barrel, now it's got a 4-barrel. And I've got an adapter plate on it. New distributor cap, new coil, new fan motor for the fan inside. So that's about all I've done. But you know, the truck was cheap. It was gonna go to the junkyard, but I managed to save it, and it runs real good. Here, let me set this up here. I'm gonna start it up. So it's got a pretty good sound with the Flowmasters. Oh, it's got a new alternator, lifetime warranty. I took the exhaust manifolds off and had them flattened out so there's no leaks around the exhaust manifold. So it sounds pretty good. No knocking, tapping, or anything like that. Runs good going down the road. To this video, I had another little piece at the end there that I was talking about, but it ain't no big deal. So anyway, this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video, and I'll have another one for you soon. And hopefully I'll get some more progress done on the truck and get the body work done and get it painted. So have another video for you soon. You guys have a good day. See you later.